What's going on? What's up, AJ? Morning. That was such a good one, but the C can't. Plunk. Oh, I gotta use the C. Plunk. Oh, I thought I had it. Playing. Playing. I really thought I had it when it gave me the first two letters. Got excited for a second. Need a vacation from vacation. I feel that way when we go somewhere with the kids. I see the SPY. Apparently the CPI numbers came out. We're good. Back for making fun of your dot. So itchy right now. Serves you right.
Straight up now 10.
Really seeing anything interesting. Tesla shot up because of the SPY. Assuming a lot of stuff did probably. Makes total sense. CPI numbers have absolutely nothing to do with individual companies, but you know, SPY go up, we go up. We're trying very, very hard to not allow any kind of recession to happen. In a minute. Got trading, selling options in between squats. Alright, here we go. Really see anything I'm interested in, so just gonna be paying attention to the scanner. Morning, good luck.
Morning.
Good luck.
CDD is still running.
CTD. No.
You up over 70 in the site? CDD's dropping. Oxy's dropping. I can't do it. I don't trust you.
I could jump into shit going straight up, but I cannot. Killing me.
Can't trip at the shit going straight down either.
It's going straight down.
PDD and Oxy.
Oh, damn, that is going straight down. What the hell happened there?
No, Affirm is. Damn, should have shorted it. I didn't like the way it was moving.
All out of TTD.
Did you get it at the top or close to it in the 70s?
$.
Yeah.
Good trade. I was too scared of it.
Might have took profit too soon, but I didn't trust that stupid thing.
Yep. He still probably got $1.
Bitch.
The bottom. PDD.
If there was one to play, that was probably it. Just miss it. BE would have worked. Peace.
He's back up.
Minute.
What about 69.50?
69.85. Looking for over 72, to be honest.
VUZI. VLD20 KTB, pass.
I'm all out. That was a decent win, dude.
Scares me.
And I knew that thing was gonna run, man. I was just waiting for a pullback. One that I wanted to jump in going straight up, but too much of a chicken.
Everything is earnings. LOL. Carrot.
Move on. You watching, Jag?
PDD, Oxy, Coin, Affirm.
Autofilled.
PDD, not much of a bounce, huh?
No. Michael Firmland blow through 37. PE could get interesting.
So shut up. What could?
PE? I don't know.
Oh, hey, did that hit that 72? No, came so close. That's not the same. C. What, BE?
Yeah.
The volume on that.
600 and something.
I need more. Kind of watching PDD.
Yeah, wait. Couldn't do it. I want to go in.
OSUR is earnings, 0.20 plus for now.
PE up the highs. No.
CRWD.
Order filled.
XMTR 78K. You guessed it, earnings.
Order filled.
CRWD dollar on way.
And what you watching, man?
To CVNA.
Took a small one in VLD. I'm actually in VUZI as well. That one's kind of annoying.
Yeah, tell me about it.
So I'll take that one off. What the fuck? No, 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 no. You shut up. Jag you in anything?
No, watching OSUR, but
TDD made my pop. The pop I was looking for when I was in it. OSUR? What you said, or am I hearing things?
Yes.
let's go.
You're not in it yet?
No.
I think a little higher.
Yeah. So close to clicking that fucking button.
OSUR dollar.
You wanted over 450 and went to 449.
Yep. That just hurts. It's gonna go.
I don't understand why I didn't click the button, to be honest.
Oh,
It's a
sure.
bitch. Yeah.
I know. I had an order at 450. I had it sitting there waiting the whole time.
Meanwhile, I'm sitting here in Grinder. An idiot.
Yeah, but that's, I
OSUR
mean,
yup.
you would want it over 450 anyway.
I mean, I did, but I almost just started at half
CRWD on a
size.
trail.
Yeah,
Autofilled.
because that's what I was looking for. The 450. I had it there waiting.
Autofilled. Order cancelled.
This is crack-a-lackin'.
Yug. OSUR
VMA.
took all. Would be LNT here for me but misclick.
Gonna bounce right off me. Literally bounced right off me. Watch that one, to be honest.
CENX up.
Order filled.
Let's see. The firm's up kind of big.
I was watching that earlier, but
Grindy for sure. It's not really an interesting short right here.
I feel like every time I've played Vuzi, this is exactly what's happened. I feel like I've played this plenty of times before. And it always grinds. I don't understand why I didn't trade this one. I'll play something like Vuzi right now, but I won't trade something like Osor when it was actually moving. Like, I just don't understand.
OSURLNT. VUZI fight.
If VLD AJ was just a right or right out type trade. Looney, that you shouldn't do that, man. That's not a good thing. I don't think spilling your coffee over your table is a good thing.
going for that.
Which one watching Dragon Firm?
No, TTD.
Probably going higher, yeah. I
Yeah.
kind of took that one off, dude. It's
It's
gonna be a grinder.
And I'm thinking of shorting it here, and I just got to stop looking at it.
Yeah, dude, that's a grinder, bro.
I'm gonna choose. The thing is, the moves are like $1.
Yeah, but they're grindy as fuck. I even stopped looking at it. I'd be long in it. I didn't want to look at it anymore. Just because I see what it's going to become, you know? Grindy.
TBLA earnings, 3.30 plus surge PLS.
Market's up, dude. I mean, market's doing pretty good today. As long as it can run.
I want to short it so bad, but
I don't have a desire to short that. Personally.
I had an order at 73.24. I just didn't click the button.
No.
Mm-hmm. Like, I just
Right.
went,
Why there? Out of curiosity, like, why would you put it there?
because I put it up there. It started bouncing around just above that. I said, okay, I'll go a little
Mhm.
underneath it to see if it pops high. But I just can't pull it. I got to stop looking. Because
It's gonna just drive you nuts.
I'm going to do something stupid, and I'm going to lose a lot of money if I keep watching it.
One of those that might get you.
Because now I'm trying to FOMO into it. Because now I'm like, oh, I should probably long it on the drop. Go, go back up.
If I want to short the pops, I should long the drops.
But like a firm is doing the exact same thing. Look at it. Their charts are like identical.
Yeah, they're both going a little ham today. It just ran right into my next fib line at 55. I actually took them off, put them back on. Over 73.55. I think she got a big jump in her. What are you watching, Thomas? You've been awfully quiet.
Fighting VUZI.
Your average,
Okay.
Order cancelled.
your average close.
74.
Oh, so you're green a little bit, right? Oh no, you're right. You're even. Tim, you're right about there too, right?
Yeah, 66.
Yeah.
I didn't get an ad over 10. I wanted it higher through 10 to get an ad.
Why does this chart look like this? It's driving me crazy, man. Cannot make my TTD chart not look super duper grindy.
BBBY is dying.
PDD is about to die.
Yep.
I wanted that one thing short so bad, but it just kept popping up there, man. It made me nervous.
Yep.
She made me nervous. It just didn't seem like it wanted to die, you know? Hard when the market's popping like this to kind of like view things as super bearish when you're like, oh shit, mine pop.
VUZI some lock.
Order filled.
Carrot. INKT 55K.
Look at that. Even with that totally looking like it's gonna break down, PDD pop back up. I'm not gonna look at that thing.
All out of boozy.
Good lord, was that trade worthwhile?
Fuck no, dude. Did it do what I wanted it to do? Fuck no.
Yeah, looked like it was a frickin' battle axe.
Yeah, on the first two candles, it was looking promising. That's why I jumped in. Then it just turned into a fucking grinder. But that's why I trade the way I do.
I thought I put this at 451. It's not. Did I put it there the first time and then I just hit stop at
winner. I just want to get out alive.
Well, by the time I got in at the top, I was on my fourth ad, so I was actually at my first starter
Your
size.
starter.
Yeah.
Okay.
So if it ripped there, I was fine. But when it started failing, it was like, okay, now I just want you to
Fuck
fucking
it.
fail so I can get out.
Get out. Yeah, I don't even want to play with this any longer.
I told yeah, I wanted to fail fast, but I'm not going to
Yeah.
sit here and rot a grinder down.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. I mean, especially if you're not on, good sizing. I get it.
And then, of course, what makes it complex is the boss is downstairs. The girl that answers the phone hasn't made it into the office yet. So the office
my
phone's
God.
ringing, and I'm trying to trade a grinder.
So you're just like, fuck this, I need out. Yeah, that makes sense, man. That's a tough position to be in that, especially with all that going on.
Yeah,
Why does this fucking chart look like this?
I almost took it for a 20-cent loss. I was in a couple times when I was in 200 shares. 20-cent loss, no big deal. I'll just take the the $40 hit, no big deal. And I was like, I'm doing okay. Let me just keep playing it out.
I gotcha. Yeah, glad you got out and everything's all good, man. Got this one chart that just looks really funky, and I can't figure out why.
Which one?
No,
Good
it's
job
not.
of trading the mornings.
It's me. It's
Yeah,
my
well,
freaking.
I can't say I haven't looked.
Not.
I haven't
the
found
chart.
anything.
I just missed ABCL.
I don't know what that is. I'm trying to fix my charts.
And then at the same time, I'm doing that one. That other one popped up that Tim missed as well. OSUR. I was ready.
You're
to
like,
jump
I'm not jumping into something else when I'm dealing with this bullshit.
Well, I'd unlocked my other montage and I already started moving over to it. Then the phone started ringing. He's still downstairs. Like, no. Let's not push it.
I'm not doing this. Yeah, I feel you. It's a downside of working and trading.
It's only because he's here. That's the only reason. If not, I just let the phone go to voicemail and then I'll answer it. I'll check the voicemails after.
Call you later. I'm busy. Watching TTD slightly here. If it wants to hold over 72.20-ish. Guess why I'm looking at that number? Thomas knows.
What do you think?
He said TTD.
Yeah, back over that 23.6 with the fib lines. And then holds right there. I think it can get some move up. If it fails, it might come down pretty hard though. So I don't know, kind of double-edged sword there. Funny, look at that though. When it hits that 72.20 area, look at the numbers. Look at the ask won't go below. Oh, there it just went. So it's probably gonna fail. I'm not prepared to short that, so I'm gonna let it go, dude. In my head, it's short though right now, dude. But it was funny. It got where the ask went below 70, or the bid went below 72.20, like way below. But the ask went to 72.27, and I was like, look at that. That number is something. They're fighting for that 23.6. Back above it. They're fighting for that one, dude. A-firm with a little pop there, Jag.
Which one?
A-firm. Little pop off
LNT
here.
lunch dollar.
GDD popping too, man. Vesh get all out of Uzi, I assume?
Still in leftovers. Seeing if it can make the bigger move down towards 9.
Gotcha.
Stock Jock's in PET, P-E-T. I don't know what the hell he's doing. It's halted, but I don't know why he's in it.
That's why.
That's why he jumps in alts.
It has 64,000 volume.
You don't care.
God.
How much of
He's a-
that's him? 4,000?
He's got 4,000 shares, yeah.
Yeah.
His average is, where the hell is it? 839. No, that's not. That's the last trade. His average is 830. It's halted at 839. If it opens
Sounds
up
about
right,
right.
it's 920.
Yeah, I mean, that's what he seems to do. He finds the one with news where he thinks they're going to gap out of a halt and he jumps in.
And it's supposed to
Okay,
open in
good.
10 seconds. Let's see if he makes some money. He's up $355 right now because he has so many shares. It did not open. Look at TDD all the way back up to higher day.
Yeah. Should have taken it, man. I didn't. That's when I'm having trouble getting my. Maybe I just put it on another fucking chart, man. That's annoying the shit out of me. Fuck this PDD. TTD. That looks better. Created off this one. And it kind of faked me out with that wick below, and then it went back up. That's where I should have bought it, but I bitched out.
Problem
Is
with these 50
PET,
shares here,
is it
I
a
don't
new
really know
IPO?
where
I
to
only got
stop
one
out.
candle on it daily. Is that accurate?
And high of day would
Let me
really
see.
be the best place to stop.
Yes, that is.
There's nothing
seemingly
really
accurate.
on this
Unless
chart
my
telling me
chart's
to
not
stop
moving.
otherwise.
PET?
Yeah.
No.
Seems like it
No,
opened-
it's October 20,
Sure?
21. It's an
I don't have
acquisition.
one calendar too, man.
It's a WAG group company.
I've never heard of that in my life. Let's see.
Now, if it can put a
Dude,
decent
that just
little,
opened. I
like
don't know.
this
what
candle here
you're
is
seeing,
970,
DT, but
968.
on
If this
both
one can
my
hold
charts.
968 and then it tries to go lower, that would
PET,
be
Papa Ekatango. That opened today.
a pivot point.
Because
that we
there's
could
pets,
use.
there's pets with a Z, and but pet is, I guess.
I'm looking at two separate charts that show it just opening.
Not on TradingView.
I should have been.
Trading View's
This is the
wrong.
one I'm kind of annoyed I never
Oh, yeah,
got in.
TOS is always right, right?
It's the one I should have been in.
DOS, IB. I don't know, man. That's a lot against one.
Hey Thomas, we have like the same chart on Vuzi except you got the ad up top.
Yeah, that helped me out there.
OSUR hurts me.
Yeah, that one kind of annoys me too. I'm sitting there in Vuzi, the slowest thing all day, and I'm watching OSUR like, oh, this actually looks decent. But yet I wouldn't get in. Why?
It kills me that I had the order out.
That one hurt my feelings, but I'm getting over it because of my situation.
Yeah, well, I'm not in your situation. I didn't take it, so
1 cent.
Get over it because there's other stocks to trade.
There isn't.
there really isn't though.
There
Yeah.
is. It might not be
Not
right
at the
this
moment,
second,
no.
but if you sit there just FOMOing over something you missed 20 minutes ago.
Oh, I'm not FOMOing. I'm just annoyed that I didn't trade it.
That's what FOMO is.
The fear is gone.
Oh shit, I missed out. Well, the fear is gone. That's what kept you out of it, was the fear.
I don't think it was fear. I don't know what it was. It wasn't fear though.
Probably because you were in the other one. You didn't want to. You weren't winning that one. You didn't want
Yeah,
to take on
it
another.
wasn't moving fluid. It wasn't fast, but it's extended. You know, it's
I watched it. I didn't.
It's worth a nibble.
Yeah, I didn't love it unless it went crazy. I pulled it up when Jack mentioned it.
Look at
I guess TTD. I'm having trouble biting this one, man.
ain't biting. MRSN could get interesting.
Yeah, this one's too much of a grinder for me, dude. I'm gonna quit looking at it.
BCAB
It's gonna
104K.
fuck me up.
Earnings. Carrot earnings.
Until it's just one of those that isn't moving quite fast enough for me.
Happy face.
I
Earnings.
just wish MRSN had a little bit more volume in it.
Yeah, it's a little weak sauce.
Wanted to get the 750. So I'm going to get in at 740. Maybe. If everyone gets there.
PDD proved to be an asshole. ERY.
PDD is just doing what PDD does.
There's nothing, not a lot.
No, it's a pain in the ass.
Yeah,
That's up and you
Order
oh,
cancelled.
it'll be good, and then also it just
it just sucks ass. You're like, why am I looking at this?
Yeah.
That's how it affected me.
that's exactly what it does. Every day.
Every day. You think maybe it'll be good, and then you realize it sucks ass.
You just have to catch it at the right time when it's being normal and not doing the choppy shit.
You gotta wait for a day where it maybe has more volume or something.
A good thing you didn't get it go long on TTD.
And I'm watching
Drop
it.
over $1.
I wouldn't have gone long on the breakout, so I would have had to pull back and hold that 70. Whatever is it? 73.50-ish.
Pet opened, went up to 10.
Yeah, Pet was an acquisition. My chart's showing the old acquisition numbers.
Lunch
Company's
dollar.
name is
Gotcha.
WAG. W-A-G.
He made huge ass
Oh,
money.
so some other company acquired this stock or whatever.
Yeah.
He's
made
probably
huge-
doing the booty shake.
No, he's sitting there. He's up almost 12 grand. Because his first
Good lord.
sell he sold at 10, then 990, 982, and then 923. And he was at 830 average.
It's an on-demand and scheduling dog walking.
That's what that is.
Nice.
Yeah. Other pet services.
Sounds like a job run by like teenagers.
It's Uber for dogs.
Good lord, I can't believe that's a thing. How do they get in your house?
They break in.
They break in. All of its workers are ex-cons, so they know how to break into homes. Perfect. I'm in.
5.20 next
I'm
stop.
for that shit.
MRSN would make a fucking move. Let's see, does TDD give it all up right now, or does it go back up to higher day?
Keeps bouncing off this area. 7160 or so. Stupid fucking SPY made all of its move in pre-market, and then it's just like sideways up here. Okay, cool. I'm up here now. It was a decent win on TTD.
Order
I
filled.
think it would bounce here, but I don't know.
I don't fully trust.
Because if it goes, I could
Order
see it
filled.
back at 68.
VUZI out all.
I know where I think it will bounce, but I don't have the cojones, bro.
BCAB is starting to move a bit. It's SSR though, and the volume's only 600,000, but it's moving actually pretty good right now.
What is it? ECAB?
B, Bob, Karen, Bull, Bob.
Order filled.
Not thrilled with SSR though. Looks like it's playing on play with the halt.
Order filled.
BCAB.
Order cancelled.
Just wish it was an SSR.
Carrot.
What you watching, Tammy?
ECAB.
Order cancelled. Order partially filled.
SRS, yeah, man.
Order filled.
Quite a bit.
Oh, this one might hurt. Just can't seem to pick the right ones. Maybe I'll take a walk for a couple minutes.
Assuming Tim is short it into that halt.
Yeah. He's 553, 554 average.
Does it give a
Yeah.
balance?
6.
Thomas, you get into this thing or nah? I don't know if Thomas is here.
He might have to go do some work. Do you guys have shorts on RKT?
Let's see. Our CAT?
No, RKT. Like rocket.
Oh, rocket. We do. I think. Let's see. Yeah, we do.
Came down, but
That's not for me, man. I need way more.
and no volume either. So
Yeah, I need more volume, more movement. I need more everything for that. The shorted. Trying a new started to intermittent fast.
Only 58K.
what, like 12 hours?
Dang.
I'm going to eat for 8 hours a day and not eat for 16 hours.
Yeah. So you eat for 8 hours straight.
Not straight, Jack. Then I'll have my first meal at about 10 and I'm done eating at 6.
So you eat what, like twice?
I'll probably eat 3 times in that time because I'll have lunch, I'll come home, have a protein shake, maybe a little salad, and I'll eat dinner. So like 3 meals. So I was figuring I'll eat at like 10, I'll eat at probably like 2, and then I'll eat again at like 5.
Yeah.
Then I'll be done. I'm gonna try it out, man. I have like this small amount of belly fat that just won't go away, and I'm like, I gotta try something new, because I mean I eat pretty healthy and it's just fucking there. So I'm gonna do this for a couple weeks and see if it does anything.
Yeah.
I was reading about it. It says it can help because it says when you eat, because I eat all the time, so it says when you do that, like it's good if you're working out constantly, but I don't work out constantly. I get to them 3 to 4 times a week.
Yeah.
But it says if you're not working out every day, you know, and you eat like that, your body never really goes into that point where it's burning the sugars and all that shit out.
Yep.
So I think my body's holding on to that shit because I'm constantly feeding it.
Zach, I don't really play too many penny
I'm gonna
stocks,
try
so
to starve it a little bit and
they have an
see
answer
if
for
that
you.
does it. And I don't have to eat. Like I'm not a guy that like my body doesn't tell me to go eat ever.
Yeah.
I did it yesterday kind of by accident, and I'm like, I think I'm just gonna do that. I just forgot to eat.
Yeah.
I was like, if I can do it, I might as well just try it. What's that thing Tim's in?
BCAB.
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 Imbalance is
Are
610.
Are you in it too, Thomas?
No, I wasn't here for that move. I was relieving, feeding the aliens, taking the kids to the pool, as Jag would say.
I gotcha. You don't normally trade the SSR ones though, right? Or,
I tend to stay away from them, yeah. Unless that was a very liquid, smooth move.
that was a
Pretty
pretty quick
straight
move.
up.
Good move. Pretty
Yeah,
good.
I pulled it up.
It's just kind of dumb on my part though, because the share's available. I think that was kind of why I'm a little upset at myself.
Shares you have available.
56K left. When we started it, it was like 90K. See what happens.
I don't know what to do with it. I would do with that TTD, Devin. You watching that stupid thing?
Yeah, I still got it up, dude. It's like now dancing under the 23. Oh, there goes Tim's. Oh, hey, there you go, Tim.
Flush, 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 bitch.
We're all cheering for it to go straight down.
Keep going. Keep going.
Order cancelled.
There you go.
Order
Oh.
filled.
I'm gonna assume Tim's probably out.
I wish I would have. I clicked half when it was stalling at my average there, but I'm gonna hold this into the halt, see what it does.
LOL.
5
Good luck
and
again.
517, 514.
I thought it was gonna just hit 550.
Yeah, I
and
see it too.
was-
525. Is that what we got? 501? 5?
Now it's
Is that what you
5.
got, Jack?
5,
I got
5.
5 too.
Yep.
It was
And then once
hovering
stuck, I
over
think
that
it's fine.
550, and I was like, God dang it, it's just gonna bounce right here. So I just took half off, but I kept the other half.
Inbounds is now 530. We'll see where it goes to.
I got a question for you, seriously, Tim. Are
Yeah.
you like feeling good about the trade now, or do you still feel bad about it?
I still feel bad about it.
As he should. I was hoping you said that.
I was hoping you would too, because I didn't want you to be like, yeah, okay, now I'm good. Yeah, I got it. And then I'd be like, fucking it, Tim.
I mean, I'm actually proud of myself for taking half off at break even, just because I got lucky that it even came down to break even.
Dude,
Yeah,
I was
because
sitting there. I was like, hit it, Tim, hit it, Tim. When it got right at break even and bounced on it, I was like, hit it, hit it, hit it.
I was too, but I wasn't gonna say shit. I was like, that's why
It
I
was like
saw it
just
all too.
sitting
I'm
there.
I'm
Yeah.
assuming you've done something.
I thought about taking another half, but I was like, well, if it's gonna halt down that quick, maybe it'll actually gap down. So, just giving it a chance here.
I threw that out just to be like, if you haven't, maybe do something. Just in case, Brisky. Alright. I'm still watching this TTD, man. Now it's dancing under that 23.6 and holding the 38.2 though. So I'm like, fuck. I don't think I could short it unless it was below that 38.2. And if it gets back above the 23.6, I'm kind of gonna be interested again. But this one's kind of doing weird shit. Oh, there it goes back above it, like it's not even there.
Yeah, it's a tough one.
TT and back bolt and see, it's not even honoring shit. I'm not gonna pay too much attention to this.
Just sideways chop, pretty much.
Yeah, I think when you see things like cut through, like, you know, numbers that should mean something, it's just choppy.
SUNW62K.
Unless it's going straight up and breaks through them all, like no big deal. But it's
Pass.
just chopping back and through everything.
So 541 imbalanced him.
Still right there.
541.
Yep.
Does yours say 510? Because that's what mine says.
Yeah. Yeah, I think for some reason, like, it right away, it like gives us the first couple seconds, and then it like says, "Oh wait, you don't pay for that."
Yeah,
Fuck you.
would you say 10? Because mine says 540, 536.
Yeah, mine's
It
530.
says 5.
It likes Thomas.
Apparently.
Like,
How much you paying extra?
Added to
Not
OSUR.
that I know of,
More
dude.
flush, please.
now it's back to 540.
Are you doing favors for somebody that we don't know about? Sexual favors? You know what I'm talking about. FRN, maybe?
$30 seconds.
What's it at now?
542.
You're basically opening up where you are. Would you say your average is 50 something?
54.
54. Yeah. I put 70. I'm gonna put half out at 42.
Order filled.
And it's open.
Order partially filled. Order
Took it
filled.
off. Wasn't gonna let it spike up.
least you got out unscathed.
All out BCAB.
Yeah, it seems to be the story of my trading career lately.
That's 2 for the day. All right, we need to stop that shit.
Don't get yourself down, man. No negative speech here. Stay fucking positive. BTD is kind of getting interesting up here, but yeah, I don't know if I can fucking take this thing anymore. Honestly, like, I got a decent piece of this move, and I was only in this for like a minute. That's kind of troubling. That means it's not moving that much.
All the way back down to $4 now. Fuck my life.
Damn. Move on.
We. LNT.
How many shares do you really have after you sold out half? Would it really have made that big of a difference?
150, I think he had left.
Wouldn't have been anything to write home about.
OCUR dollar.